how to create Square account, which is the point of sale, right? So if you know the Square application, or maybe you want to basically go ahead and then open the Square account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Square application from your Play Store or your App Store right there. Once you've launched it, you will see this type of interface where if you have an account, you can tap on sign in, but if you don't, you just have to tap on the create account button that you can see there. So tap on create account, and on the next page you can see what's your email address. So you simply have to enter the email address that you want to use, and you can also tap the sign in button. You can also create a password and tap on continue. You can select the country where you'll be taking payments from, agree to the terms and conditions, and once done, you can also confirm the email address that you provided, and then your account will be successfully created. This way you can basically create a Square account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.